How to get YouTube Premium 3 months trial. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to get a 3-month YouTube Premium trial, first of all, you have to ensure you haven't previously subscribed to YouTube Premium. The trial offer is usually only available to new subscribers. You have to simply go to the YouTube Premium offer page and check if the 3 months trial is listed for your account. And then you simply need to launch YouTube. Sign into your YouTube account on your mobile device or computer. After that, you have to navigate to YouTube Premium. For that, click on your profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select the search or the settings icon next to the search icon. Now tap purchases and membership. Now you will see all the offers from YouTube. Tap learn more, and on this section, you can easily see 1 month trial for $0. So you have to tap try 1 month for $0. Currently, there is no 3 months trial for $0, so you can easily try 1 month as well. Even though it's a free trial, you need to input a payment method like credit or debit card or PayPal and ensure you are aware that after the trial period ends, the regular subscription fee will be charged unless cancelled. Once your payment information is verified, your 3 months or 1 month's trial will be active. You can enjoy ad free videos, offline downloads, and access to YouTube music as well. So that is how we can easily uh, get or have 3 months YouTube Premium trial. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.